What's going on, guys? Camilo here. Today for you guys, I will be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6. Now, I've been waiting for this day for a long time. I really like the Apple Watch. I currently have the Apple Watch Series 2, but I have been waiting to upgrade for like the past 4 years. This watch came out 4 years ago, back in 2016. The Apple Watch is also really special to me because the unboxing of this video when I did the Apple Watch Series 2 was really one of my first YouTube videos, and it did pretty well for when I didn't have any subscribers back in 2016. So I decided we're gonna do another unboxing for the Series 6. If you guys didn't know, Apple held a keynote event on September 15th where they highlighted new Apple Watches and iPads coming out in the coming weeks. For the Apple Watch, they announced the Apple Watch Series 6 and the Apple Watch SE. The Series 6 adds a blood oxygen monitor, a brighter always-on display, an always-on altimeter, and gorgeous new blue, aluminum, and red colors. So the Series 6 has a lot of little things over the Series 5. I would say if you have a Series 4 or 5, it may not be worth it to get the Series 6. Apple did announce also the Apple Watch SE, which is basically a Series 6. It's just missing a few of the features. It doesn't have the blood oxygen monitor. It doesn't have an always-on display. So if you're not really into those features, you could save yourself, I think you can save yourself $170. That is also an option. Okay, enough talking, let's get into it. Okay, so I don't even need a knife this time. You can just do the pull. Ooh, a very nice Apple Watch. The box looks pretty much the same as my Series 2 box. Okay, I did hear they updated the packaging since I last got it, so I think it's a really cool experience. Let's see. Nice, crispy plastic. Ooh. What? So cool. Okay, and like I said, I did get the blue aluminum. I just had to. It was the new color. So it looks pretty sweet. And I did get the black sport band. They introduced new sport loops, and I'm not really keen on those because you can't really resize them. If you order the wrong size, you kind of have to return and get a new one. So I guess let's do the watch first. Get the tabs off, and they really made this easy. Ooh. Designed by Apple in California, and then there's the little watch. And it comes in this little case. Ooh, that looks really good. So you can see on the back, I don't have the Series 5 or 4 to compare to, but this has way more sensors than what the Series 2 had. The Series 2 could do heart rate, and that was pretty much it. Now I'll be able to do the blood oxygen and then the ECG, so I'm super pumped. And yeah, the blue looks really clean. Okay, let's go for the band. Nice, and I think I want the small band because I do have small wrists. So let's take this one out and then top piece out. That actually looks really clean. Sick. Okay, let's turn it on. I am really excited for the bigger screen because coming from the Series 2, it had that squared off screen, and this is definitely a rounded screen now. And actually going further into the box, you only get a charging cable this time. You do not get a charging brick, and they said they're doing that because they don't want to hurt the environment and make charging bricks that people won't use if they have a bunch of them already. So when I heard this in the presentation, I thought they weren't including a charger at all, and I was like, that's kind of dumb, but they give you the cable, so I think that's fine. I don't think everyone really needs the brick. You can plug it right into other USB ports, and you probably have a bunch of little wall warts that go from USB into the wall, so good on Apple and saving the environment. Okay, so I'm about to set up my watch. It's telling me to bring it near my iPhone. Okay, so it's taking me through the process now. I'm gonna set it up for myself. Okay, so I can restore from backup or set up as a new Apple Watch. I think I'll restore from backup. For my Apple Watch that's currently paired, I guess it's going to unlink my old one. I really do hope that the iPhone 12, which is rumored to come out, I guess, like in October, might announce it at the end of September. I really hope that it comes in this blue color, because like this color is sick and I'd love them to match. Okay, we got watch analytics. No, don't share. Shared settings. Apple Watch shares settings with your iPhone. Location services, find my iPhone, Siri. Yeah, I guess share it with myself. Bowl text size. I guess whatever's set is fine already. Man, this screen is like actually a lot, like it's much bigger. Okay, here we go. Blood oxygen. You can use blood oxygen app to check your blood oxygen levels. It can measure your levels throughout the day. Okay, I think we'll set up Apple Pay later. Emergency SOS, clock faces, and now it's got a sync. So we're gonna let this sync and I will be back.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so the watch is done syncing. I'm already noticing that like this is like way snappier than the last one, because my last Apple Watch, it couldn't update to the latest OS because watchOS 7 dropped it. And even on watchOS 6, it was super laggy and slow. So like, it's super nice to be like super responsive now. I do wanna test out this blood oxygen monitor. Okay, I'll put it on upside down just for you guys. So let's go next. Keep your hand still, done. Okay, and you get this cool animation. So let's do start. I think it takes 15 seconds. Unsuccessful measurement. Let's try that again. Hey, 99%. So Apple is not claiming this to be a medical device. This is just if you want to get more data. Where I think this will be useful is sleep tracking. So the watch will periodically track your blood oxygen, your heart rate, and all those other kind of vitals. And it may give you more insight to how you sleep. Yeah, I think it's cool. I think it's innovative. I am really excited to use it more for exercising. I felt like I used my Apple Watch a lot more when I first got the Apple Watch because it was very snappy and fast. And I just love being able to have so much information on my wrist. I don't have to like pull up my phone for everything. Oh, and if you do buy an Apple Watch, I don't know how long this is going on, but I think for this year and holiday season, if you buy an Apple Watch, you will get 3 months free of Apple's new Fitness Plus. This is gonna be launching later this year. It's basically a series of videos and training exercises that Apple is offering as a service. So if you get an Apple Watch, you get 3 months of it free, so try it out. So that's gonna be cool. I'm definitely gonna check that out once that launches. But anyway, guys, I think that wraps up this unboxing. I may do a first impressions video later in the future, so look out for that. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, don't forget to Super Smash Bros. That like button down below. And I will catch you in the next one.